Let me do a quick video of the build I did. Started with the 2016 carbon S-Works frame. Topped it off with Renthal carbon fiber fat bars with the Renthal stem. Hope Pro headset. Hope Pro rims. Hope brakes. Hope pedals. I really like Hope parts. They're really quality, top-notch Bella Works from the UK. The brakes are the top-notch, best in the market. I think those are 203 rotors in the front. V3s. I want to get the V4s. Olin's front shocks. I love them. These comes with what is it called? Pucks. Pretty much they're built in already. So Fox, you got to add them to the shocks. These ones are already built in. So you never bottom these forks out. They progressively get stronger the more you give to them, if that makes sense. I've never bottomed them out. Has Cane Creek rear shock. Saddle is a ASR Planet Bike seats. Overall, like this build.